The defense for Stephen Michael Stearns, who faces a capital trial, has filed a motion requesting the full disclosure of all evidence the state intends to use during the penalty phase of the trial. The motion seeks access to critical evidence that may impact sentencing, including aggravated and mitigating factors. The motion demands that the state of Florida disclose and provide access to a list of relevant witnesses, names, addresses of all individuals with knowledge relevant to sentencing, and all the statements, written, recorded, or oral, made by these individuals. Copies of any statements made by Stearns, including those in police reports, grand jury testimony and physical evidence, any grand jury minutes that contain testimony from Stearns, any tangible evidence obtained from Stearns that may be presented, use of confidential informants and surveillance, whether any confidential informants provided evidence, and a disclosure of any electronic surveillance, wiretaps, recorded conversations, etc. Any reports on any searches or seizures that were conducted related to Stearns, and the forensic and scientific reports, any physical or mental health evaluations conducted for the case, the results of the forensic testing, any evidence the state intends to use to justify the harsher sentence, aggravating circumstances under Florida Statute 921.141. Any evidence that could mitigate Stearns' punishment, including information that supports lesser sentencing. Exculpatory or favorable evidence. Any Brady material that might negate guilt or reduce the severity of sentencing. Any evidence that challenges aggravating factors or supports additional mitigating factors. The motion cites Florida Rule of Criminal Procedure 3.220, which mandates disclosure of all relevant evidence. It references constitutional protections under the 4th, 5th, 6th, 8th, and 14th Amendments. It asserts that the failure to disclose this evidence would violate due process. Florida's Constitution, Article 1, Sections 1, 2, 9, 16, 17, 21, and 22, and Florida statute require transparency in penalty phase evidence. The defense asks the court to compel the state to turn over all requested penalty phase evidence and to allow the defense to inspect, copy, and test all relevant materials. The motion ensures fair access to all evidence, allowing the defense to challenge the state's case for the death penalty and present a full mitigation strategy during sentencing. What do you guys think about this motion? Let me know in the comments.